Hey there, welcome to anystack.in. In this video, we are going to get deeper into the class. So let me share my screen with you all. Okay, so we are having a blank file. So first of all, we will write main. Okay, so now we are going to create a class. So in the last video, I have created the class in the same file, but in this video, I am going to create class in some different file. So for that, first of all, I will come here and create a new file, and the file name is going to be user.dart. So we are going to create a class whose name will be user. If you remember from the last video, I will create a constructor. Okay, so now this one is the very basic thing which you need to do all the times. So first of all, there will be a name of the user, there will be a telephone number string, there will be a phone number of a user, and there will be a address of a user, and suppose there is string city, the last one is string country. Okay, so we are having this much of property associated with a user. There could be some more property like first of all, let's remove the phone, let's remove the address. City and country is fine. So let's create something like, we can create a bool also, is married, just to know that if the user is married or not. We are having a bool property. If it will be true, he or she is married. If it is not, then it's not. Okay, so now we have created a class which is having 4 property associated with it. So let's create one more, which is now it is having 5 property. So we will come to the user and we will give all these properties. So how we will do that? So first of all, we will write string name, string city, string, let's remove the country also, int age. I just want to make it simpler, so if I will use more property, then this will be not simple. Yeah, so now what we are going to say, we are going to say this dot name equal to name, and similarly we will do this for all of this, for the city also, city, and for the age also, and for the age married also, so is married. Okay, so now we are going to use this class in other files. So how we can do that? If you remember, I have talked that how we can use some other file in some other file. So for that, first we need to import, and after that we will write the file name. So what is the file name? The file name is user.dart. So now the user class is available here also, so we will write user and u1 equal to new user. Okay, if I comment this import statement, you will see that we are getting error for user, like it is saying that undefined class user, it is not defined. So let's do this. So now we are not getting any error, we are getting error at this point. It is saying 4 positional argument. So for creating any user, we need to give 4 things. The first one is the name, so let's give the name. Uh, after that city, age, and married. So city is, let's, Patna, and age is 10, and age married is false. So we have created an instance of user which is u1, and we initialize it using Nitish, Patna, 10, and false. So let's print some of the property un dot is married. So let's open this one and let's run this now. So clear this dot followed by file name 02. So you can see it is saying false. So let's print the name also, name, you can see that. Now what is the problem with that, or what I want to teach more, because this is the basic part and this is, I think you know now. So the next thing which I want to teach you, that there is a named constructor. So what is a named constructor? So here you can see that it will be difficult for some of you to distinguish between Nitish and Patna. What is this Patna and what is this Nitish? If you are Indian, then probably you can know, you know that Patna is a city and Nitish is Indian name. But if you are not from India, then probably you do not understand that what is Nitish and what is Patna. You just understand these two things as a English word. So there is a named constructor for this, which will help you in naming the things which you are passing from here. So how you can do that? So for that, first of all, I will comment this down. I will come here, and instead of doing this thing, I will just comment this one also, and I will come at the top, and I will just wrap the complete thing. You can see the wrap the complete thing in a curly braces. That's it. So now this become named constructor just by adding curly braces at the beginning and at the end. So whatever is written inside the curly braces is now the named, which means if I need to create an instance of user, if I create a u2 and if I write new user, you will see that now it is giving me a suggestions. So if I come here, now it is not giving me error. One more thing here I want to tell you, the named constructor make everything as optional, which means that if I do not pass the name, city, age and is married, it is not going to give me any error. So it's fine because now it's an optional value. So in order to pass the name, I will come here and write name and colon, and after that I will write the name. And after that, in the place of city, I will write city, and this is the city. So now by seeing this constructor, anyone can say that the name is Nitish and city is Patna. Now you are not going to confuse anymore. Suppose if I change the order also, if I want, I can change the order also. I can put the city before and name after. This is not going to make any difference because now the value is being passed using this key. So whenever constructor will get the value, it knows that city is Patna and name is Nitish. If you change the order, then also it's fine. So let's try to print it and let's confirm it is also working. If I print the name and let's print the age and print the city. So you might think why I am printing the age when we have not given the age in the constructor, just to show you what happens if you do not give anything. So for the name, you can see I have passed Nitish, I am getting Nitish. For the age, as we have not given any data, we are getting null. So whenever you will not give any data, by default it will be null. Okay. And for the city also, I hope you got this. We have passed city as Patna, we are getting there. Now let's move to the next thing, or I can demonstrate that thing here also. If we will remove the new from here, nothing is going to happen. It's fine. You can see that we are getting output. So new is optional in Dart. If you use new, then also it's fine. If you do not, then also it's fine. If you will not use, the code will look shorter, probably. Yeah, there will be some less word in the file, but if you are used to using the new, you should use. But if someone is not using, don't say that's wrong, or do not think that what is this new thing. Without using new also, we can make a instance. Okay, so in the next video we will talk more about the classes. Thank you.